Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a vibrant collection of fancy soft silk sarees. The material used is very soft, light in weight and comfortable to wear. All over the saree is having beautiful 3D embossed designs along with a running or contrast pallu and blouse. Very pretty zari woven borders in this collection enhancing the elegance of these sarees. And this beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 550 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states even the shipping charges be very less from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. And about the maintenance, you can easily hand wash these sarees at home only. For placing orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries through the given WhatsApp number only. We will give reply maximum within 12 hours. Also note, our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. And also, if you guys wanted to join our WhatsApp groups, the links be there in the description. We are having separate groups for silk sarees and pure cotton sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.